What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn and today we're going to learn the G, A minor, F, and C chord. But before we dive into these chords, I do want to mention if you haven't already, make sure to hit that red subscribe button below. It looks a little bit like this. Click it, it will turn gray. Also, if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, make sure to hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe icon. And finally, one of the most important things that you can do, and I would love you forever if you did, give this video a big old thumbs up. That basically just tells YouTube that this video is awesome and they're going to share it out to new people that don't know who I am. And that's how we grow this channel and we make it more awesome. So I would love if you could do that. Share it with a friend, share it on social media. Speaking of social media, I do have Instagram as well. We just hit over 51,000 Instagram family members. So if you do want to follow me on there, it's just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to say hi. But let's get that promo stuff out of the way and let's talk about these 4 chords. So let's go ahead and pick up our uke, and one thing I do want to note is the naming of the strings and the frets. So if you're completely new to the uke and you don't know anything about the chords and the strings or anything like that, don't worry, that's why this video exists. We're going to go step by step. So the first thing I do want to mention is that the top string, we're going to number that the 4th string. The next one down is the 3rd string. The next one down is the 2nd, and the last, that one right here at the bottom, is going to be the 1st string. And then you see these markers, these lines on the fretboard. That's going to be the fret separators. So it's the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and then so on. So you're going to hear me say like 1st string, 3rd fret. So that's where you're going to put your fingers. But we'll get to that in just a second. So just remember 4, 3, 2, 1, and then the fret markers. So if you want to pause this video and just take a look at your uke and sort of the anatomy of the instrument, go ahead, pause it, and once you get more familiar with it, hit play, and then let's get into these chords. So as you can see, I moved a little bit to my left because I'm going to insert sort of an illustration of the fretboard and where you should be putting your fingers for each chord. So that way you can sort of visually see it. And I think it's a little bit easier, especially for beginners, just to kind of see where your fingers are going to be. So with that said, let's go into the first chord, and that is the G chord. So how I like to play the G chord is I take my pointer finger and I place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then I take my middle finger and I place it on the 1st string. Remember, that's the bottom string. So 1st string, 2nd fret. And then I take my ring finger and I place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And it should sound like this. The next chord that we're going to learn is the A minor chord, and how I like to play it is I like to take my middle finger and I like to place it on the 4th string, again, top string, 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we're going to learn is the F chord. So like the A minor chord, you're going to keep your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and it should sound like this. And last but not least, we're going to play the C chord, and how I like to play it is with my ring finger, and I'm going to put my ring finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. So let's go ahead and play all 4 chords, starting with the G, and then we're going to go to A minor, F, and then C. So let's start with G in 3, 2, 1, just 1 stroke down. Let's go to A minor in 3, 2, 1, 1 strum down. Let's go to F in 3, 2, 1, 1 strum down. And C in 3, 2, 1, again, 1 strum down. Let's do it one more time. I feel like we almost got it. So in 3, 2, 1, G. Let's go to A minor, F, and then C. So there you have it. Those are the 4 chords: G, A minor, F, and C. Those are sort of the basic fundamental building block chords that you want to get down first. So again, if you are super new to the uke and you don't know any of the chords, those 4 are a great start starting point to start your uke journey, because those are sort of the most used chords that we have in a lot of the popular songs today. So again, make sure to sort of get comfortable with the finger placements for the G, A minor, F, and C. And if you do have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. Also, if you have any requests for videos, if you have special chords that you want me to do, bar chords, any songs, whatever it is that your little heart desires, make sure to leave it in the comments below. I will read them. I pretty much respond to every comment that I get on these videos, so leave them below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already and you've watched this far, what are you doing? Click the red subscribe button below. It will turn gray, and turn post notifications on if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.